Guys, today I'm going to tell you something about chicken farm and how to build it. First of all, this is all you need. So we're gonna build this cage exactly. So let's start with some sandstone. We put it here, too high, up, 5 blocks wide, too high, 5 blocks, up, up, too high, so that it become a square. So if that's done, you place your chest. Somewhere, you may choose where. And here's some sandstone slabs, because otherwise the chest can't open. Then we'll start to place the hoppers. Like this. Right. When you place the hoppers, you must see that the hoppers point at each other, so the eggs will come in the chest. So now you place all the sandstone broken back. Well, let's put some water in it. You must see when you put the water everywhere equally. The water prevents also that the chickens spawn away. I will build this glass too high, because sometimes when you have a lot of chickens, they will spawn out of the cage and they jump over the glass. So that's done. I will now use some spawn chicken eggs, because I'm creative. But the guys who haven't have any chicken spawn eggs, you can otherwise make a cage next to this cage with a door or a fence. You break and get your little chickens with some wheat. Thank you for watching, guys. That was my